This concludes our broadcast for Random Morning News, the epic morning news in the world. Good morning.
Welcome to Past Blast, where we bring songs from the 70s, 80s, and early 90s, right here on the radio. We interrupt this song to bring you an emergency. Please stand by. This message has been transmitted at the request of your local police department. Citizens living in this local area, return home immediately. The number of zombie-like creatures has been increased significantly. They have also upgraded themselves to be much faster, stronger, and much more intelligent. If you're inside your home, cover everything up as much as possible. If you have a basement, use it for alternate means of protection. If you have a bunker, let many people in for larger means of protection.
If you have been rejected from shelter, you must seek alternate means of protection.